Hi everyone, my name is Ayush Gupta. I am from Singapore. Currently, I am pursuing BTech from our group of institutions in the specialization of computer science and engineering. Recently, I have joined Analyzing InfoTech from Java training. Currently, I got two of our lectures from Course as well as Eastern Software System. Now, I would like to share my experience about Analyzing InfoTech. The service provided from Analyzing InfoTech from registration to training was a very positive experience for me. I came here with a good knowledge of programming, but later on I enhanced my skill. So I would like to thank Mr. Pankaj sir for your support and help. Now I would like to suggest all my friends to join Analyzing InfoTech. Thank you.